Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Apple report for Friday, October 20th, 2023. But before I walk you through the charts, as usual, just want to encourage you to please click like if you haven't already, subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, share the content if you would with friends and colleagues, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos just like this one. Daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, that is the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 ETFs. Weekly analysis in the S&P 500 Index, the NASDAQ 100 Index, the Long Bond ETF, the TLT, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube. That is 8 a month that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor. We're always looking for at least 20% moves on those stock picks, and you can check out all of this for no cost for 5 days. We offer a 5-day free trial up front with a wickedstocks.com subscription. So sign up for wickedstocks.com, check it all out. If you don't like what you see within 5 days, you can cancel your subscription at no cost to you whatsoever. Now on with the charts. So, take a look at the big picture as usual, work our way into the day itself. Just a reminder that we came off about a month ago, long-term support in the 165.91 to 167.32 region. This is an area that we settled above last May, which then set off a long-term show of strength that I'm still expecting to yield 229.15 over the months ahead. On the way up, we do still have, it's not playing out as anticipated, a 188.83 2 to 3 week target. It's still a 1 to 2 month target above 167.32, but I'll just go ahead and mention that when we closed a couple of weeks ago above this 171.01 channel top, that I was anticipating 188 even within 2 to 3 weeks. And, we're 2 full weeks into it and we're falling away. We're right back to pretty much where the buy signal was elicited. And so that is still, though, the dynamic. Let me go back to the big picture and just remind you that if over the coming weeks we were to close above 188.83, that sets up a more steady, protracted rally that I would expect to play out into Q2, 3 to 5 months, possibly middle of 24 anyway, 229.15. So that is the big picture still. Let's talk about the day itself. I still have 174.98. That is a downside 50% over the last month. Extremes. 174.98 still able to contain intraday weakness. And if we do break or open today below 174.98, that 171.01 formation is attainable. Not be quite a sell-off, but we've seen it before, especially if we get overnight weakness, in the futures markets and we happen to gap below 174.98. It is a Friday and all. 171.01 not out of the question if tested, able to contain selling through next week, possibly well into November trade. From there, we could round back up to the 188 even formation within a matter of 2 to 3 to 5 weeks. If we were to close below 171.01 today, and I don't see that happening, but if so, then we are likely to retest the 165.91 to 167.32 long-term support region by the end of next week, where we can bottom out through the rest of the year and well into next. If over the coming weeks, once again, we were to close below 165.91, then this market does indeed set up for longer-term bearish continuation to 132.01 over the following 3 to 5 months. Let's get back to the day itself. I've shown you this image. I don't show the upside 178.57. We didn't come too far from testing that actually on Thursday. 177.84 was the high. It is a 50% upside retracement over the last week. 174.98, a 50% downside retracement over the last 3 weeks. 178.57, able to contain intraday strength. And if we push or open above 178.57, we could test 180.70 intraday. Simple trend line off these highs, contained the highs about a week ago, can continue to contain daily buying pressures. And as I said earlier, a settlement above 180.70 should yield this wide band of resistance between 184.87 and 188.83 within just a few days. Especially 188.88 is the backstop really through the rest of the year. We could top out here into December, fall away again into the upper 160s. But as I said, closing above the upper 180s, 188 here on that chart, 188.83 on the weekly chart, would set off longer-term bullish continuation to what is considered kind of a long-term objective anyway at 229.15. I think that everything that needs to be said has been said. I'm just going to leave it at that for Friday's Apple Report. Of course, I'll be back Sunday afternoon with Mondays. Please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com. You have a great weekend.